Oh yeah, dead on.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We got another video today, and the idea is mounting a paintball gun to my four-wheeler. Okay, so the goal here is to make a mechanism that can pull this trigger back, like using a remote control. So what I'm going to use is this servo off of this old RC car that I have. I got the servo off the car. I got the entire system hooked up, and I got this set up so that every time I hit this trigger on this remote, it goes it just does a little half turn, which will be enough to pull the trigger back. Okay, so I have this servo set up so that I can mount it right there. Then I'll just tie a zip tie or something from here to the trigger. And then whenever I activate it, it'll just pull the trigger back. Oh yeah. Okay, so to mount this up to the four-wheeler, I don't even know. I'm gonna put it on there, something like that. There's a good few spots for zip ties. All right, I got the paintball gun all mounted on here, just like that. Got it loaded full of paintballs, and I got the remote. So I think we're ready to go shoot it. Bro, this thing's sweet. I gotta find something to shoot at. All right, so I got this target made up. I'm gonna try to hit the center, obviously, but I don't really know what's gonna happen. I guess we'll see how accurate this thing is. I'm gonna try to hit it while moving, so I'm gonna set you guys down.
Oh yeah, dead on. Yeah.
Well, I'd say it's a pretty good grouping. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a good night.